if you want to view your hidden apps on iPhone or iPads, first of all, let us teach you how to hide an app. So first of all, let's say I want to hide the How We Feel app. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click require face ID, the second option, and here you're gonna be able to see three options: require face ID, hide, and require facial recognition or cancel the whole step. You can just go ahead and click hide and require facial recognition, and then basically you're gonna be able to hide the app from the home screen, right? And if you want to find or view the hidden apps on iPhone, just go ahead and to your app library, scroll a little bit down, you guys see a little section right here at the bottom left, the hidden. It's called the hidden. Go ahead and confirm via facial recognition, and then basically you're gonna be able to see the hidden apps on your iPhone, and you're gonna be able to hold to unhide the app on your iPhone by holding your screen, and then just go ahead and you're gonna see, instead of require facial recognition, you can just go ahead and remove that option, and you're gonna be able to actually unhide the app. So let's move on to the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.